Here we go, guys. 14-15 Eminence basketball. Random players, case, box, number 4. Hi, Luke. Processing is good. That means you're good. Frag or not, you're good to go. Good luck, guys. Hold on. I saw a peek of this bottom right corner was one of those patch cards, so that's what we'll show first. All-Star patch. Good luck. First up, Jeff Teague, 1 of 1. All-Star Jumbo Patch, 1 of 1 of Jeff Teague. Juan. That goes to Thunder Cards. Congrats, Dan. You got the first hit of the break, and it is a 1 of 1. Where should we go next? Or whatever this guy is right here, the middle on the bottom. Alonzo Mourning, 1996 All-Star, number 1 out of 10. 1 troy ounce of silver. Alonzo Mourning is Henry Rock. Congratulations, Henry. Henry Rock was in via the won the spot in an auction break, the free spot. Congrats, Henry. That's awesome, man. He didn't even know he's in. Oh man, never mind. I mean, that's Team Firehand gets that card. Never mind. This is pretty nice right here. This is a 1972 All-Star, Oscar Robertson. 3 of 10. Troy ounce of silver. Oscar Robertson, Troll Toll. Has the big O. These things are heavy, man. Nice game. There's 2 cards up top. One's got a patch, one doesn't. Let's do the one without the patch. Oy. Number 9 out of 10, Larry Bird. I think this is the base, what guys are considering the base set right here. Larry. Goes to Tunalicious. You know, Michael. Only 5 cards on the top level. We have to take off this top level of foam and there's something below it. This one is number 4 out of 10, patch auto Jason Kidd. Jason Kidd is JT. Congrats, JT. All right. Let's see what's underneath it. Put the card in upside down. Look at that. Way to go, guys. Maybe next to move this. There's one on the right there. A good one. Dirk Nowitzki. 3 out of 10. 2011 All-Star. Dirk. Troll Toll's got Dirk. Troll Toll's got 2 hits. Another fine silver. Congrats, Gabe. 2nd hit. I think you only had 3 teams or 3 players. 2 for 3. How many are left? There's 2 more. So that'd be 8 total. Maybe the best card's in the middle, I don't know. So let's go to the left here. Magic Johnson, number 9 out of 10. Fine silver. Who's got Magic? JT. 2nd hit for JT. And patch autograph, Shaq, 3 of 10 in his Laker uniform. Shaquille O'Neal. Dupes 82 with Shaq. Now we will see if there's anything else underneath this layer. Sometimes they got the cut signature. Well, I think the cut signature is always below if there is a cut. All right. Let's look together. Nothing there. That's it. Alrighty. Alright, quick recap for everybody who wants to see him again. Jeff Teague, 101. All-Star patch. Alonzo Mourning, All-Star silver. Jason Kidd patch auto to 10. They're all the 10. Oscar Robertson, silver. Larry Bird base. No metal. Dirk McGurk, silver. Magic Johnson, silver. And the Shaq auto patch. Yeah, no super wow card for sure. All right, we're gonna random off the box. We'll hit the names. What happened to my randomizer? Oh, I gotta add a new randomizer. Hold on. Randomize your guys' names 3 more times. Whoever ends up in the top spot gets the briefcase. Good luck. 1, 2. It's not a briefcase, it's a box. 3. JT. That's JT. you win the box. Thanks again, everybody, for joining. Congratulations to those of you super lucky few that got hits in this one. Until next time, peace.